Namaskar and welcome to Triumph IAS. Do you ever wonder why the rich are getting richer and the poor poorer, even in the world's largest democracy? What if this struggle is systemic? Today, let's explore this through the lens of Marx's theory of class struggle. Today, we're diving deep into Karl Marx's notion of class struggle, but with a twist. We're looking at how this theory resonates in Indian society at present. Point 1. What is class struggle? Marx argues that society is split into two main classes, the capitalists, who own the means of production, and the workers, who sell their labor. In India, think the richest capitalist and the migrant laborers. Point 2. Exploitation. According to Marx, this system is fundamentally exploitative. In Indian context, we can see this in the way corporations make hefty profits, while their workers are paid minimal wages. Ever heard of sweatshops in the textile industry, or about Oxfam's report which says, the richest 1% in India now own more than 40% of the country's total wealth, while the bottom half of the population together share just 3% of wealth. Point 3. Caste and class. Marx's concept can also be used to analyze the caste system entrenched in Indian society. Historically, the marginalized castes have been excluded not just socially but economically. So in India, the class struggle gets entangled into caste-based hierarchies to present an exploitative system. This can view through the lenses of 𝐤𝐤𝐻𝐸, where he sees caste from class perspective when he says caste inherits underdeveloped but potential class character. However, he predicted that caste will disintegrate with creation of new social and material conditions. Can you see this happening in Indian society? Let me help you with the data. According to government data, 97% of manual scavengers are Dalits. Can you find relation between underclass and so-called lowest placed caste in ritual hierarchy? So, the next time you read a headline about economic disparity or witness social injustice, remember that these aren't isolated incidents. They're part of a larger social system that's been unfolding for centuries. If this topic intrigues you, do us a favor, like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more. Dhanyavad.